The Arabian Sea just became a new flashpoint. Not one, but two aerial confrontation in just an hour. Stealth fighters in the sky, unmanned drones approaching a US supercarrier, and political warnings growing louder from Washington. Now, this is not a routine military moment anymore. This is a moment that signals rising danger in one of the world's most sensitive regions. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhrityatri, and let's set the scene here. Hundreds of missiles from the land in the deep blue waters of the Arabian Sea sails one of America's most powerful war machines, the USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group. Now, this floating fortress, it is not just a ship. It is a moving military city. It carries advanced fighter jets, destroyers armed with military defense systems, surveillance aircraft, scanning skies and seas 24/7. And right now, it is sitting dangerously close to a geopolitical storm. Well, the whole drama, it begins with an unknown shadow in the sky. Military radar systems suddenly detected an approaching aircraft. No pilot, no radio communication, no clear identification signal, just a drone moving steadily. Closer and closer towards the carrier strike group. Well, the US military had seconds to decide. Inside command rooms, screen flashed red alerts. Flight officers tracked the object's speed and direction. Was it surveillance? Was it a warning message? Or was it preparing for an attack? No one knew. But in naval warfare, hesitation can be deadly. That is when the orders were given. From the deck of the carrier, a stealth predator launched into the sky, the US Marine F-35C Lightning II, one of the most advanced fighter jets ever built. Nearly invisible to radar, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, designed for lightning fast precision strike. Well, the jet locked onto the target. The drone, believed to be tracking analysts to resemble an Iranian Shahed series aircraft, continued flying towards sensitive naval position. And then came the moment. The missile was launched. Seconds later, the drone disappeared from the radar, destroyed mid-air, but this was only the beginning. Hours later, military tracking systems reportedly detected another drone entering the same tense zone. Same pattern, same warning approach towards the carrier group. And suddenly, the Arabian Sea sky, it turned into a replay of the confrontation. Again, the F-35, it was deployed. Another intercept mission, another high-stake decision. And once again, the approaching drone, it was shot down before reaching the American fleet. Two aerial shoot-down within a single day. Now that is an extremely rare escalation in modern naval standoff. The US military response, it was swift and clear. Officials described the whole behavior as having unclear intention. But they stress one thing strongly. The strike, it was carried out in self-defense, protecting sailors, protecting aircraft, protecting one of America's most valuable military assets.